So hey there, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to add Google Maps to your QGIS project. So Google Map is one of the most widely used mapping tools, and adding it to your QGIS can enhance your spatial data analysis and map visualization. So let's dive right in and see how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is to install the Quick Map services plugins in your QGIS. So these plugins allows you to add various online maps, including the Google Maps. So to do this, go to the top of your screen and click on the plugins that is up here. Click on the plugins, then select the manage and install plugins. Once you click on it like that, it will immediately take you to this window where it tells you to install the Quick Map service. So here, type Quick Map services. It's already here. Once you click on it, you install it from here, because mine have already installed it, so there's no need of installing it again. So what I will do, I'll just close this. So once you install your Quick Map, the icon will appear here on your top screen. So once you click on it like this, the search icon, and you type will appear there. Then once you click on it, it will bring the map services that are you want to choose from. So maybe you prefer adding any other service, that's maybe the Google Train, the Google Streets, and the Google Satellites. So here it has brought the satellite Google Maps. So what I will do, just press add. So when I press add, it will automatically appear in your QGIS project, as you can see on my screen. So you'll see that the Google Map layer has been added to your QGIS canvas, and if it doesn't fit very well the way you want it to do on existing layers, you can also adjust it. And the Google Map on your panel, you can just select zoom in and zoom out, so that you see you concentrate on some certain areas so that you can edit. You can zoom out like that, then you can see your map clearly, or you can zoom in like that. You can also go to your layers here, you right click on them, then you go to property, then you can change things like transparency. You can also go to symbology. You can edit your Google Map the way you want it to be, and that is it. And don't forget to save your project so you can keep the Google Maps layer for future use. So go to file, if you want to, project file, then you can save as based on the file location that you want to save your project, so that you don't lose it. And that is it. You have successfully added a Google Map to your QGIS project, and now you can use your Google Maps as a base map for your analysis, combining it with your spatial data for more detailed insights. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more QGIS tips. Have any question? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.